रिसेंटली बालूचिस्तान प्रोविंस में मुफ्ती शाह मीर का असैसिनेशन हुआ बाय अननोन गनमैन. So how do you take this? Should we connect this with assassination in reference to the Balochistan killing them, or is there is connection with the India?
No, what you are trying to say is that मुझे मालूम नहीं है, but लोग कहते हैं कि he was the man who arranged the kidnapping of Kulbhushan Yadav from Iran and showed it as arrested in Balochistan. यही आप कहना चाहते हैं ना? Directly पूछो. This
Kana that Raj is probably an agent out here.
So, this poor officer was picked up, kidnapped. He was legitimate business. He was picked up from Iran. उसको दिखाया गया. Again, failure of imagination. अगर इंडिया ने भेजना भी था किसी को बलोचों के लिए, वो नेवल ऑफिसर को क्यों भेजते? अगर भेजना था तो आर्मी इन्वेंट्री ऑफिसर ना भेजते.
क्या ये आप क्या बोल रहे हो मेरे शो में? फिर अब नेवी मेरे पीछे पड़ जाएगी.
No.
कि नेवी को पुअरली दिखा रहे हैं.
नहीं, पुअरली का naturally he is on the ship. He can teach you how to ride on a ship. वो आपको इन्फेंट्री टैक्स क्या, और दूसरा बलोचों को कौन सिखा सकता है फाइट करना? The Indian Army is by and large a conventional army. It has fighting in the mountains. It has developed a lot of skills. So if anybody had to be sent to support, it would be an army officer, an infantry officer. Why a naval officer? And then will he go infiltrate into a enemy territory carrying his real passport? So क्या, this is totally failure of imagination. They wanted to establish equivalence.
So
कि देखा हमने इसको पकड़ लिया. अरे भाई सोचो तो सही, बंदा है कौन?
So you think that he had nothing to do with?
No, of course not. Absolutely not. But this person जो कहते हैं कि अननोन गनमैन में, अब अगेन दे सेड कि इंडिया इज बिहाइंड इट. अब देखो, एक आदमी तुर्बत, छोटी सी जगह है इन बलूचिस्तान, वहाँ पर है. हाउ वुड एनीवन इन इंडिया नो दिस मैन, know that he is in Turbat, know that he is in this masjid, he is going to come out at this time, and then you position somebody there to kill him? It strains the imagination.
They would have used locals? Contract killing?
If somebody had to be used, but how do you even know the person is there? How do you know the person is there?
And if India
you don't even know who is the person who picked him up.
और करना ही था तो हाफिज सईद को अब तक कर देते या दाऊद इब्राहिम को कर देते. Why these guys?
Why this the low levels too?
Yeah. So
तो ये जो unknown gunmen है या किसी और तरह के थिंग is all total Pakistan trying to blame India, not realizing that Indians are saying damn good. Lap it up, bring it up more. और करो आप.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.